Hi guys, let's see how to use Focus Assist in Windows 11 computer. Just right click on the start button and then click on settings. Now click on system from the left menu and in the right side click on Focus Assist. By default it is turned off. There are three options. One which is by default it is off. After that there is priority only. It will only show you notification. The system will only show you notification from the priority list, which you can of course customize. If you click on customize priority list, you can customize, add an app which you are setting up on the priority list and you want to receive notification anyhow, even if Focus Assist is turned on. Okay, so you can do that. You can do these settings. Okay, so now you can choose priority only, or if you want ultra focus, there is alarms only. That means it will hide all notification except for alarms. Alarms are very important. So alarms set by you will play, but all the notification will be hidden. There will be no notification at all, and this Focus Assist setting will be like that. Okay, now you can check this option, also show a summary of what I missed when Focus Assist was on. Okay, so if you want to get a log of what notifications missed when you were on Focus Assist, you can check this option. There are some automatic rules also which you can turn off or turn on based upon your requirement. For example, these are automatic rules. When you're playing a game, you are automatically on Focus Assist. When you're duplicating your display, like this. So that is how you can use Focus Assist, and it's a very good feature. If you want to turn it off, just click on turn it off again. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us.